Hey everyone! Welcome back to The Altruist, where we dive deep into everything that makes you healthier and happier. Today we're spicing things up a bit, literally. Let's talk about a super spice that's likely sitting in your kitchen right now. Yes, you guessed it, cinnamon. Cinnamon isn't just for topping off your lattes or giving a kick to your breakfast cereal. This ancient spice is packed with incredible health benefits that might just surprise you. First off, cinnamon is a powerhouse when it comes to antioxidants. These are compounds that help protect your body against oxidative stress caused by free radicals. In fact, cinnamon is so rich in antioxidants that it outperforms many other spices, even superfoods like garlic and oregano. But wait, there's more. Cinnamon has anti-inflammatory properties too. Chronic inflammation can be a root cause of many serious diseases, including heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. Adding cinnamon to your diet can help reduce this risk and keep inflammation at bay. Now let's talk about heart health. Cinnamon has been shown to improve key risk factors for heart disease, including cholesterol, triglycerides, and blood pressure. Just a little sprinkle a day could help manage or even prevent these issues. For those of you managing diabetes, cinnamon might become your new best friend. Studies suggest that cinnamon can lower blood sugar levels and improve sensitivity to insulin, a vital hormone for keeping your blood sugar levels balanced. And if you thought cinnamon's benefits stopped there, think again. This spice is also linked to reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases, like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's, thanks to its protective effect on brain function. So, how can you incorporate more cinnamon into your diet? It's easy. Add it to your smoothies, sprinkle it over your morning oatmeal, or mix it into your coffee. Just make sure you're using Ceylon cinnamon, also known as true cinnamon, for the best health benefits. Before I wrap up, remember, while cinnamon is amazing for health, moderation is key. Too much can lead to complications, especially if you have liver problems. Always check with your healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your diet. And there you have it, folks. Cinnamon, your tasty ticket to better health. If you enjoyed discovering the wonders of cinnamon, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more health hacks and tips right here on The Altruist. Stay healthy and see you in the next video. Remember, it's not just about living longer, it's about living better. Thanks for tuning in and keep thriving.